Welcome back to the channel. The 1964 Chevrolet Malibu represents the heart and soul of American motoring in the 1960s. This was a time when cars weren't just tools for getting around, they were symbols of freedom, power, and personal identity. The Malibu fit perfectly into that world. It was stylish without being flashy, powerful without being overwhelming, and affordable enough for everyday drivers who still wanted something special. Whether cruising down Main Street or rolling onto the open highway, the Malibu captured the spirit of a generation that believed the road was meant to be enjoyed. One of the first things you notice when you start a 1964 Malibu is the sound. Turn the key and the V8 settles into a deep, steady idle that feels alive. It's not quiet, and it's not trying to be. The engine pulses with a mechanical rhythm that defines classic American muscle. That lopey idle isn't just noise, it's personality. It tells you right away that this car was built to be felt as much as it was built to be driven. Under the hood, the Malibu used a traditional front-engine, rear-wheel drive layout that defined performance cars of the era. The engine sat proudly up front, sending power straight to the rear wheels. That setup gave the car its confident balance and unmistakable attitude. You feel the weight in the nose, the push from the back, and the road through the steering wheel. There's nothing filtered here, it's all mechanical and all real. From the outside, the 1964 Malibu looks exactly like a mid-60s Chevrolet should. The body is long and low with clean, confident lines. The front end wears a bold grille and stacked headlights that give it a strong, focused face. Along the sides, smooth curves catch the light, and the rear end sits wide and planted. Even standing still, the Malibu looks ready to move. It has presence without trying too hard. Chevrolet offered the Malibu with a wide range of engine options, from economical inline-six motors to powerful small-block V8s. That meant buyers could choose exactly how much performance they wanted. Whether paired with a manual transmission or a smooth automatic, the drivetrain delivered power in a way that felt strong and natural. The Malibu wasn't just about speed, it was about effortless forward motion. By 1964 standards, the Malibu delivered impressive performance. V8 models produced well over 200 horsepower, which made acceleration feel bold and confident. You didn't need race car numbers to feel the excitement. All you had to do was press the throttle and feel the car surge forward with that unmistakable American muscle character. The suspension and steering were tuned for cruising. The Malibu wasn't meant to carve corners like a modern sports car. It was meant to glide down highways and city streets with confidence. The ride was smooth, the steering was relaxed, and the brakes gave drivers a solid sense of control. Everything worked together to make long drives feel easy and enjoyable. What really defines the Malibu is its back-to-basics philosophy. There were no computers, no screens, no driver aids. Just engine, wheels, and driver. The idea was simple. Build a car that looks good, sounds good, and feels good to drive. The Malibu didn't try to hide what it was. It celebrated it. Inside, the Malibu feels wide and open. The cabin is full of space, with a long dashboard and bench seats that invite you to stretch out. The materials feel solid and honest. Nothing is complicated. Everything is exactly where you expect it to be. It's a place designed for comfort and calm, not distraction. The dashboard features large analog gauges that are easy to read at a glance. Speedometer, fuel, temperature, all presented clearly in classic round dials with chrome trim. It's functional, stylish, and timeless. The seating is pure 1960s America. Wide, soft bench seats that feel more like a living room sofa than a racing bucket. There's plenty of legroom, plenty of shoulder room, and an open, airy feel that modern cars rarely offer. It's a space built for cruising, talking, and enjoying the ride. Interior design in the 1960s was about warmth and space, and the Malibu captures that perfectly. Cars felt like lounges, not cockpits. The goal was to make drivers and passengers feel relaxed, not enclosed. The Malibu delivers that with its gentle curves, open layout, and welcoming materials. Chevrolet also offered the Malibu in multiple body styles, including hardtop and convertible versions. The hardtop had a sleek, pillarless look when the windows were down, while the convertible offered full open-air freedom. Both versions matched the Malibu's personality perfectly, a car meant for sunny highways and relaxed weekend drives. Underneath the body, the Malibu is pure mechanical simplicity. A strong frame, straightforward suspension, and accessible components make it easy to maintain and modify. This is one reason so many of these cars are still on the road today. They were built to be worked on, not just looked at. Chevrolet's design language in the 1960s was bold and confident, and the Malibu fits right into that identity. Strong lines, wide stances, and proud details give the car a sense of purpose. It looks like it belongs on Route 66 with the sun setting and the engine rumbling. And when that engine opens up, the exhaust note is deep and full. It's not high-pitched or sharp, it's rich and muscular. Every throttle blip sends a wave of sound into the air. It's the kind of sound that makes people turn their heads before they even see the car. Compared to other mid-size cars of the era, the Malibu stood out for its balance. It wasn't too big and not too small. It had more style than economy cars and more comfort than raw muscle machines. It was the perfect middle ground, powerful, stylish, and usable every day. Even the small interior details show how much care went into the design. Chrome door handles, textured panels, classic trim, nothing feels rushed. Everything feels intentional. The Malibu's interior isn't about luxury, it's about character. The 1964 Chevrolet Malibu is more than a classic car. It's a time machine. It represents an era when cars had soul, sound, and simplicity. When driving was about feeling the road, hearing the engine, and enjoying the journey. The Malibu doesn't just move you, it takes you back. And that's why, decades later, it still matters. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others.